Good morning, shining stars, and welcome to your EVS class. Today we will going to learn about body parts of a bird. Open your EVS reader book at page number 23. Body parts of a bird. Like us, birds have also different body parts. हमारी ही तरह birds के भी अलग अलग body parts होते हैं. Okay, let's read out. Head. They have one head, two eyes, one beak, two wings, two feet, and a tail. The body of the bird is covered with feathers. Birds have feathers of different colors and size. It helps a bird to fly. They use their beak to catch and eat food. They use their feet to walk, hoop, and swim, and to hold their food. Color the picture. बच्चों, जैसे जैसे मैम कलर करेंगी आपको भी वैसे ही बहुत नीटली स्लोली कलर करना है. ओके. That's all for today. Thank you so much.